Hi there, viewers! Did you know that you can easily manage your high blood pressure or bad cholesterol all while cleaning your arteries? That's right, in today's video, we'll pay special attention to 14 teas that'll work like magic on high blood pressure, cholesterol, and clogged arteries. Should you be drinking green tea? What about valerian root? We have a list of popular and exotic teas to help keep you healthy coming your way. Let's get started. Let's begin with the popular ginger tea. Ginger is not just a cure for nausea and cold, it's also one of the best-kept secrets for managing blood pressure. If you're wondering how to incorporate this mighty herb into your routine, listen up. Boil 1 cup of water and peel an inch of fresh ginger root. While the water boils, grate the ginger into the strainer or an infuser and place it into the teapot. Add boiling water and allow the ginger to steep. Voila! Ginger tea. Fun fact: according to a study, participants who had more than 3 grams of ginger for 8 weeks experienced a drop in their systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Now on to something a little different. How about some garlic tea? Hold on, just hear me out before you get all grossed out. The garlic bulb is a storehouse of allium, a compound that's shown promising results in treating uncontrolled hypertension. Studies show that active sulfur compounds in garlic reduce systolic blood pressure by 10 millimeters of mercury and diastolic blood pressure by 8 millimeters of mercury, almost similar to the standard blood pressure medication. Garlic contains a compound that releases nitric oxide, which relaxes your heart muscles and arteries. The result of this is reduced blood pressure. Although it may not taste that pleasant, add garlic to your tea and you'll reap the benefits. To make 1 cup of garlic tea, finely chop 2 to 3 garlic cloves, then add boiling water. Strain the mixture and then add some lemon juice and honey if you find the garlic taste overpowering. The next tea on our list is not so well known. Ever heard of Bacopa Monnieri? Also known as Brahmi, this neurotropinic herb improves concentration and cognitive faculties. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine to improve memory and calm anxiety. Western medicine considers Brahmi to be a powerful blood pressure stabilizer and muscle relaxer. Adding Bacopa Monnieri to your morning routine can perk you up instantly. Start by placing fresh, dried, or powdered leaves of Brahmi plant into boiling water, allowing it to steep for 10 minutes. This will release aromatic oils into the water, giving the tea its maximum health benefits. Now, let's move on to tea that's not only tasty, but known for its royal roots. Next on our list is Hibiscus Tea. This rosy tea looks not only vibrantly refreshing, but also tastes heavenly. It's a beautiful infusion of bright red hibiscus flowers that you can enjoy hot or cold. Egyptian royalty drank this tea due to its touted heart benefits. Modern-day research also found a reduction in blood pressure in people who had stage 1 hypertension and drank hibiscus tea regularly. Hibiscus tea is loaded with antioxidants and helps boost weight loss, support liver function, and prevent blood infections. You can find dried hibiscus powder in specialty stores or online. Alternately, you can pluck fresh petals from your garden and steep them immediately to make an equally heart-friendly tea. Want more tea? Grab a refreshing cup of Oolong. This traditional Chinese tea is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Oolong tea is a semi-fermented version of regular tea leaves. This procedure helps to preserve the polyphenols that give a rich aroma to your drink. It also has a decent dose of antioxidants that boosts your heart health. Many animal and human studies confirm Oolong tea reduces stress on your heart and normalizes cholesterol levels. Looks like I'm adding this to my grocery list. Coming up is a lesser-heard tea. How often do you drink Rooibos tea? Are you wondering what this is? It's also called red bush or red tea. It's derived from a South African shrub. It might be a little more expensive than regular tea, but it gives you a catalog of benefits. Enjoy Rooibos as iced tea, espresso, latte, or cappuccino with milk and sugar. But you can gain the best results by simply boiling tea powder in water. It's a caffeine-free option and can lower cholesterol levels in no time. According to a study, overweight adults who drank 6 cups of Rooibos tea daily for 6 weeks had significantly less bad cholesterol and actually boosted their good cholesterol levels. Want to know which other tea can do that? Ever heard of Valerian Root Tea? This herb has been around since ancient times. It's known for its sedative, hypotensive, and relaxing properties. This tea takes selective action on your brain centers by putting them at ease. This herb is available as a tincture for teas, capsules, or extracts. Hypertension can be aggravated due to emotional and mental stress. Cigarettes, a high-sodium diet, and caffeine may also worsen the situation. Valerian root tea is caffeine-free and can contribute to reducing insomnia that directly alters your blood pressure. Another great tea that can naturally heal your heart is Parsley Tea. Sometimes the simplest teas are the best for your cardiovascular health. Plants for centuries have always been remedies for health issues. Parsley is a low-calorie, relatively inexpensive, and reliable source of bioactive compounds. It can be easily found in many kitchens and is a known alkalizing food. Just take 4 to 5 sprigs of parsley and 2 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil and steep a fistful of organic parsley leaves for a few minutes. Strain the mixture and enjoy. You can even keep sipping on cold parsley tea throughout the day. It'll make you feel lighter and more energetic, all while flushing out those heart-harming toxins. Let's talk about the golden tea, turmeric. Turmeric is a native to Southeast Asia and is a principal spice in many Indian dishes. Its brilliant yellow color gives it its name, the golden spice. Curcumin is one of the most important bioactive compounds found in turmeric. Protecting your heart against cardiovascular diseases, it improves serum lipid levels without any drastic damaging effects. A meta-analysis found curcumin improves dyslipidemia, a significant contributor to cardiovascular diseases. Peel and grate fresh turmeric root. Add it to hot boiling water for 10 minutes. Then strain the mixture and enjoy with a dollop of honey, lemon juice, or ginger. Pro tip: add a pinch of black pepper for extra curcumin absorption. Go ahead, give it a try. Moving along, time to hit some floral flavors with chamomile tea. Chamomile has antioxidants that help soothe your nerves and calm anxiety. According to a study, chamomile tea reduces triglycerides and total cholesterol levels in men and women between 30 and 60 years of age. A steaming hot cup of chamomile tea just before bedtime can also relax your arteries and improve circulation. It's the most fragrant tonic for your heart. Don't brew your tea for more than 3 minutes or you'll find it tastes bitter. Get a little chamomile tea action today. Want another flowery concoction? Try St. John's Wort's tea. This herb is establishing a name for itself in the field of cardiology due to its antibacterial, antidepressant, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and pain-relieving properties. Commonly used as a dietary supplement, it can also be infused in hot water and consumed as a refreshing beverage. Drinking too much of this tea with cholesterol medication can be dangerous as it'll flush out any circulating medicines in your system. This is why it's vital to get your proper dose calibrated by your doctor. This next tea is a popular one. Are you a fan of cinnamon tea? This drink has earned quite a reputation for cutting belly fat. It has a sweet aftertaste that makes it delicious and healthy. It also helps to fight the flu, improve memory, boost oral health, and improve digestion. Cinnamon is an aromatic spice made from the cinnamon tree's inner bark. It gets rolled during the dyeing procedure to form cinnamon sticks. Add 1 cinnamon stick to boiling water to extract all the spice from the bark. Let it steep for some time and your wonder drink will be ready in minutes. You can even let the cinnamon sticks sit in hot water overnight for 4 to 6 hours. Studies have shown that cinnamon tea after dinner can reduce blood pressure and keep metabolic diseases away, so get sipping. The next heart-friendly tea on our list is Greek Mountain Tea. It's also called Shepherd's Tea or Tea of the Mountains. It's prepared by brewing dried flowers, leaves, and stems of the Sideritis plant, mainly found in Mediterranean regions. This tea protects your heart from cardiac contractions and drops arterial pressure. Legend says that even the Greek philosopher Hippocrates drank it to reap its benefits. To date, Greeks consume this tea in winter to combat cold and flu because it contains antioxidants, polyphenols, flavonoids, and other immune-boosting compounds. However immune-boosting this drink is, it is best to avoid it if you're trying to get pregnant or have already conceived. Last but not least, never skip green tea. Green tea is fantastic for therapeutic intervention because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on your system. According to a meta-analysis, it has long-term impacts on reducing your blood pressure. If you enjoy soft, mellow flavors, try matcha green tea, but be aware of the caffeine content in these drinks. Too much caffeine can actually take its benefits away. Whew, that's enough about tea. Let's talk about actual food. Are you curious about what foods can lower your cholesterol? Or what could be increasing your cholesterol levels? Then let's keep the conversation going with a couple more videos, shall we? Check out 8 foods that can lower your cholesterol levels, or 11 foods that are dangerously increasing your cholesterol. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about how to stay healthy. Which of the teas we listed are your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.